I don't think there's been a warp goal stage since Passage. Okay, here's launchers. But the odds of me getting this warp goal... Wait! This might be the OG version. I think that this is OG challenge mode launchers. Yeah. Yeah. Because all of them are flat. None of them have the grooved thing. I'm almost certain that this is one of the unused stages. Okay, that makes up for everything bad about the seed. Can I please go in the goal now? Okay, land. Okay. Yeah, that was, I believe, the unused variant of OG launchers.